Ever feel like your body is tired but your brain just won't switch off when it's time to sleep? You are not alone. What you eat during the day and even right before bed can actually set the stage for better, deeper sleep. In this video, I'll show you the foods and simple habits that can help you recharge so you're ready to tackle whatever tomorrow brings. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Amy, a registered dietitian, and I'm here to share practical, research-backed tips and real food solutions that fit your busy life. Today, we're talking about something we all need but never seem to get enough of: sleep. Did you know that 1 in 3 Americans miss out on the recommended 7 to 9 hours a night? And it's not just about feeling groggy the next day. Poor sleep is tied to serious health risks like heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. And that's no small deal. But here's the good news. As a dietitian, I can tell you that what you eat can actually make a big difference in your sleep. With a few simple, science-backed tweaks to your diet, you can start sleeping better and waking up refreshed. So let's dive in and find out how the right foods at the right time can help you finally get those sweet and restorative Z's you've been dreaming of. Sleep is much more complex than just falling asleep. It's about getting into those deeper sleep stages like REM, where your body repairs itself and you feel truly rested. And here's where food comes into play. Your body needs certain nutrients at the right time to support the REM process. For example, foods with melatonin help keep your body's circadian rhythm or sleep clock on track. Magnesium can help lower stress and relax your nervous system, which makes it easier to fall asleep. Tryptophan is an amino acid that helps your body make serotonin and melatonin. And serotonin is important because it helps set your sleep and wake cycle. Then there's vitamin D, which helps your body produce melatonin, and zinc helps turn tryptophan into serotonin and melatonin, making all of them important for better sleep. These nutrients aren't limited to a handful of special foods. They are found in a variety of options. And when we combine these sleep-boosting foods, they can work together to create a powerful sleep-enhancing effect. Here are some key foods rich in sleep-supporting nutrients. Kiwis, pistachios, and tart cherries are packed with melatonin to regulate our sleep cycle. Dark greens, avocado, and brown rice provide magnesium to relax our body for restful sleep. Pepitas, tofu, and oatmeal are loaded with tryptophan, building blocks for sleep-inducing hormones. Eggs, pineapple, and nuts or seeds boost our serotonin to support our mood and better sleep. While salmon, portobello mushrooms, and yogurt are rich in vitamin D to promote a healthy sleep-wake rhythm. And cashews, chickpeas, and lentils provide us zinc, helping us stay asleep longer. And remember, many foods contain multiple sleep-boosting nutrients, so variety is awesome. Now, while we have focused on individual foods for sleep, let's take that idea even further with nutrient groups that, when paired together, help you sleep better. First up, omega-3s plus magnesium equals sleep heaven. That's right, fatty fish like salmon packed with omega-3s and vitamin D combined with magnesium-rich veggies like broccoli can help regulate sleep and calm your body down at night. Next, let's talk about another omega-3 and magnesium duo that's perfect for sleep: walnuts and spinach. Walnuts are packed with omega-3s that support brain function, while magnesium-rich spinach helps relax your muscles and calm our nervous system, making it easier to wind down for a restful night. Try blending up some spinach pesto and tossing it with pasta and chickpeas for a nutrient-packed sleep-boosting meal. Now let's talk about melatonin and healthy fats. This simple combo of Greek yogurt topped with some granola with almonds, flaxseed, and a handful of pomegranate is a great way to boost your sleep. The pomegranates are a natural source of melatonin. The almonds bring in both melatonin and serotonin, 2 key players in helping you drift off peacefully and wake up feeling refreshed. Plus, the healthy fats and fiber from the almonds and the omega-3s in flaxseed make this the perfect bedtime snack to keep you satisfied without disrupting your sleep. And here's one more great combo: melatonin plus healthy fats equals sleep support. Try pairing creamy avocado toast with a serving of kiwi on the side, which is also packed with melatonin and vitamin C. In fact, research shows that eating 2 kiwis in the evening before bed can significantly improve sleep quality. This dynamic duo helps regulate your sleep cycle and promote relaxation, setting you up for a peaceful, restful night. Now, here's the secret ingredient that most people miss: food timing. What you eat and when you eat it can make a huge difference. Eating the right foods 2 to 3 hours before bed can help prepare your body for sleep without interrupting your digestive system. For example, a small snack with tryptophan, like almond butter on some whole wheat toast with some sliced apple on top. This combo helps boost serotonin levels, promoting relaxation and making it easier to drift off to sleep. But don't eat too late. Your body needs time to digest. If you've ever gone for a late night snack or had a late night meal and probably didn't sleep so well, you know what I'm talking about. The digestion that's happening interrupts our sleep. Aim for that snack about 2 hours before hitting the pillow. All right, let's dive into the things that we love, but that could be working against your sleep. From that wine after a long day to the coffee you grab in the afternoon or the drive-through late at night, these might actually be keeping you from getting the quality rest you deserve. First up, alcohol. It might help you fall asleep at first, but here's the kicker. It actually reduces the quality of your REM sleep. So even though you fall asleep faster, you're not getting that deep restorative sleep you really want. And if you've ever woken up feeling groggy after a few glasses of wine, you know exactly what I mean. And then there's caffeine. I know some people, like my in-laws, they can drink coffee all day long at 9 p.m. and still sleep like babies. But for most of us, the effects of caffeine can last up to 5 hours. So that afternoon cup might be keeping you up long after you've finished it. And now let's talk about greasy foods, because unfortunately your late night burger, fast food, or pizza could be another sleep saboteur. Research shows that greasy, fatty foods, especially close to bedtime, can disrupt your sleep. They're hard on your digestive system, causing discomfort, even acid reflux, which can interrupt your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. High-fat meals are also linked to a decrease in REM sleep, which is essential for our memory, our mood, and our overall restorative sleep. So if you're struggling with sleep, try cutting back on these foods and see if that helps. Nutrition isn't the only piece of the puzzle. Good sleep also comes from creating a pre-bedtime routine that helps your body wind down. And there are various things that we can do, but I'm focusing on one specifically. One of the biggest ways we can improve our sleep is to cut out the late night scrolling. I know what you're thinking, but it calms me down to scroll Instagram and watch funny reels before bed. And while that might slightly de-stress you, the blue light from our phones is a major interrupter to sleep. Blue light actually tricks our brain into thinking it's daytime. Blue light stimulates the part of our brain that makes us feel alert. And this causes our body to stop releasing our beloved sleep hormone, melatonin. So for true sleep bliss, avoid the blue light from screens for at least 30 minutes before bed. This helps your brain naturally produce melatonin. And one more tip, don't forget to turn off the distractions. Set your phone to Do Not Disturb to avoid late night interruptions. Every night, my phone goes into Do Not Disturb mode at 9 p.m. No more notifications enticing me to grab my phone while I'm trying to go to sleep. And my husband does this too, so we can both be notification free. The bottom line on sleep isn't about just one food or one habit. It's a combination of things working together to get you the best rest. It's about giving your body the right fuel at the right time. By pairing sleep supportive foods like those packed with melatonin and magnesium and omega-3s and avoiding those pesky sleep saboteurs, you can actually help your body relax and unwind naturally. Now I want to hear from you. What sleep-friendly foods are you excited to try? Or what combinations are you ready to give a go? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you're feeling ready to start building your sleep-supportive plate. If you're curious to dive deeper into specific foods that can help you sleep better tonight, be sure to check out my video on 7 foods for better sleep next. I'm breaking down exactly what to add to your plate for deeper, more restful sleep. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who you know could use a better night's sleep. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple science-backed nutrition tips that will make your life easier and a whole lot more delicious. Sweet dreams, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive.